Hello everyone and welcome to another video or tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to hide the self view in your meetings or in all Zoom meetings. So now open your Zoom desktop client and follow these simple steps. You need first to sign in with your Zoom account in the desktop application, and if you don't have an account, just sign in with Google account or an Apple account, or you can also connect with Facebook. After that, you will need basically to join or to host a meeting. So to do so, you need to click either to join, and after that put in the ID of the meeting, or just click on the orange button and uh, click and it will host automatically the meeting. So after you click on it, it will appears this window of meetings. So basically, to hide the self view, we need to go to the menu view. As you can see in the corner here, there is something called view, and here are the type of view that you can see, and there is the thing that is called show self view and hide self view. But sometimes it can't work because you might be like pinning yourself. So I am here the host, so make sure that you're not pinned. So because if you are already pinned, like it will show up this icon, you won't be able to hide the self view. So now we need just to remove the pin and we will be hidden again. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.